Now that we know what buy stop and buy limit orders are, let's discuss the pending order that combines the two. This is the buy stop limit, and for now it is only available on the MT5 platform. This pending order allows a trader to specify a price above the current market price. If and when the ask price reaches the specified price, a buy limit order is automatically placed at a lower price level. This lower level is called the stop limit price. The buy limit will only be placed if the ask price reaches the specified price. Once the ask price drops to the stop limit price, the buy limit order is triggered and your position is opened. Buy stop limit is used by traders who anticipate that the market will experience a temporary pullback before continuing higher. Next up is sell stop limit. Stay tuned. Learn to trade consistently. Master the financial markets with Britt Online Trading Academy. Subscribe for more.
Forex and CFD trading involves substantial risk. It may not be suitable for every investor. Never trade with money you cannot afford to lose.
Please like and subscribe.